Welcome to Toon Academy. Today, we're going on a magical math adventure. Are you ready to become math wizards and learn all about addition and subtraction? So, let's get started and have some fun with addition and subtraction. Hey kids! Let's talk about addition. Addition is adding two different objects or numbers which results in its total sum. Addition is like having a fun apple party. Imagine you have one cute apple. Now, let's invite two more apple friends to join the party. So, we have one apple plus two more apples. When they all come together, how many apples do we have at the party? Let's count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Wow! We have 3 happy apples at the party. So, 1 apple plus 2 apples equals 3 apples. Isn't that fun? Addition is just about bringing things together and seeing how many you get. Now let's try some more addition. Imagine you have 2 happy oranges. Now, let's invite 2 more orange friends to join the fun. So, we have 2 oranges plus 2 more oranges. When they all come together, how many oranges do we have now? Let's count. 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, 4 oranges. Wow! We have 4 cheerful oranges together. So, 2 oranges plus 2 oranges equals 4 oranges. Good job! Imagine you're in a candy land with lots of yummy lollipops. Let's count and add them together. First, you have 2 colorful lollipops. Now, imagine you find 3 more lollipops on the way. How many lollipops do you have in total? Let's count them together. Hold up 2 fingers for the 2 lollipops you started with. 1, 2. Now, add 3 more fingers for the 3 new lollipops you found. 1, 2, 3. Count all your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, 2 lollipops plus 3 lollipops equals 5 lollipops. Isn't that sweet? You just did addition by counting all the lollipops together. Next time, try this with your toys, snacks, or anything fun. Now we will learn subtraction. Subtraction is taking away one object from another set of objects. Imagine you have 2 cute, smiling apples. These 2 apples are called the diminuend. That's just a fancy word for the total number of apples you start with. Now, let's say you give one of these apples to your friend. This one apple is called the subtrahend. It's the number of apples you are taking away. After giving away 1 apple, you have 1 apple left. This remaining apple is called the difference. It's what's left after the subtraction. So, the subtraction looks like this. You start with 2 apples, you give away 1 apple, you have 1 apple left. It's like playing a fun game with your apples. Now you know how subtraction works. Let's see another example. Let's play with candies to understand subtraction. Imagine you have 4 yummy candies. These 4 candies are called the diminuend, the total number of candies you start with. Now, you decide to eat 2 candies. These 2 candies are called the subtrahend, the number of candies you are taking away. After eating 2 candies, you have 2 candies left. These remaining candies are called the difference, what's left after the subtraction. So, the subtraction looks like this. You start with 4 candies, you eat 2 candies, you have 2 candies left. It's like having a fun candy snack while learning subtraction. Subtraction adventure with pencils. Imagine you are an artist with 5 colorful pencils in your art kit. These 5 pencils are your tools for creating amazing drawings. One day, you decide to help a friend who needs a pencil. You give them 1 pencil from your collection. So now, let's see what happens. Start with 5 pencils. You have a nice set of 5 pencils, ready for drawing. Give away 1 pencil. You generously lend 1 pencil to your friend. Count what's left. after giving 1 pencil, you still have 4 pencils left in your kit, so 5 pencils minus 1 pencil equals 4 pencils. Your art kit is still well stocked with 4 pencils. Here's a homework for you. Complete this and write the answer in comments section. You did a great work. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more.